Next, we're going to take a look at saving to drafts, editing a draft, and scheduling the signage. After you have created the signage, you have the option of saving it as a draft. Saving as a draft gives you the benefit of using what you have created as sort of a template to come back to, edit, and schedule it as a new signage instance. When you click it, the Drafts tab is enabled, and this is where you will see all of the drafts that have been saved. From here, you can start a new draft or edit one that has previously been saved. For training purposes, let's edit the draft that we have made and change the ticker message from Monday to Tuesday. Once complete, check to see if there are any other necessary updates, then click on Schedule Signage. Once clicked, the first options you'll see are selecting starting and ending dates. Based on the full calendar available, it is possible to schedule content days, weeks, and even months in advance. Next, you'll have the option of typing in a specific time, or use the clock icon to set a start time by 15-minute intervals. If you select the Now button, it will run as soon as the scheduling is saved. Next, select an ending time so the signage knows when to stop. Once again, you can type in a specific time or select 15-minute intervals. You also have the option of selecting custom days. Just select the Custom Days radio button, select the days that you would like to run the signage, and then select your times. Once the schedule is set, click on Next to select the areas where the signage will be run. This screen will show the screens that the user has access to schedule the signage. A teacher may just see the screen in their room, but the school administrator or signage manager designee will have access to all. The signage groups and the users are set on a different account and will be available in a different video. There is also an option to search for an individual screen if you know the name of the classroom or area where it is located. Select All will set the schedule for all the screens that the user has access to. When Next is clicked, an overview is shown of all the schedule settings, including destination, the signage content, the date and time, and the repeat settings. If changes need to be made, click the Previous button shown here to go back. Click on the Next button to finalize, and the new Signage Scheduled Successfully screen should appear. If there is already something scheduled, a conflict error will appear showing the name of the signage, the creator, and the receivers that are in conflict. Those must be resolved before new signage can be scheduled. Click Continue to be taken back to the dashboard, where the previously scheduled window will show what has been completed along with any previously scheduled signage. If it was scheduled to run now, it will show in the status window as In Process. It will also show in the Scheduled window, where it can be edited or deleted as necessary. Take a look at additional videos for creating playlists and more.